course.
That's because I was rebuilt too. Because Godred, Thompson, and Patrick are going to the steamworks to get rebuilt it with a new shape. And the biggest change is we have new engines there. One of them was an old engine who came to Sodor, and the other one has came in from China.
That is an absolutely idea there. Oh look, they're coming.
Hello, old friends. It's been a while since I left Sodor before, and now I came back. Hello there. I'm excited to be back on Sodor, since the Chinese railway was simply closed, so I'll be staying here for a while.
I would love to stay and chat, but I gotta go to take some passengers. See you later.
Come back at Crovin's Gate.
Anyways, my name is Young Bao, and my name is, Wilson. Yeah, Wilson. Wilson is the name. And we're here to stay in Sodor for a while since we came back.
Well, it's nice to meet you all. My name is Red J. Because I'm definitely red. Ready for anything. Because no one else seems my paint dirty.